Brother Entrepreneur Pro comes supplied with a handy extension table. These are perfect for offering you extra space during embroidery and offering extra stability to your embroidery hoop if you're using heavy fabric. At the top of either side of the extension table are some metal notches, and here on the side of the machine there's a cutout section, and we are going to insert the notches into the cutout section. Then we are going to raise the table, gently push the table towards the back of the machine until it comes to a stop. Underneath the table there are 2 screws that we are just going to screw in to secure it into place. Now the table's firmly secured and the screws have been tightened, we can now take our embroidery hoop, install that onto our machine, and we can see now that the extension table is offering extra stability to the larger hoop and will be even better stability once the hoop is loaded with material. Once you've finished embroidering, simply remove the hoop. When you no longer need the extension table, unscrew the screws that are underneath and then slowly pull the extension table towards you, and when it reaches a stop you will hear it click, and then you're able to slowly drop the machine down, and the notches that were on either side will hold the extension table securely and neatly on your machine until you need it next time.